Hi, today I'm going to be showing you how to plant a zinnia flower garden. The items you are going to be needing are a rake, a shovel, a water bucket, and some zinnia flower seeds. If the gardener has any questions on how to apply the seeds, make sure that they read the back of the seed packet. The first thing you need to do is start tilling the soil with the shovel. Once you've done that, you can start smoothing out your soil with the rake. Now you're going to take the seeds and you're going to pour them in. Now I'm going to spread across the soil. And water it. Now enjoy watching your zinnia flowers grow.